Done a few things to the mini bike since y'all saw it last. Got them new SunF tires on there. Some heavy duty shocks. Show them what you got welded on here, Chance.
It's a custom header pipe from, what is it, Go Power Sports?
Modified the bends a little bit. Get her to come out right here. And I welded on a 1-inch
Husky socket.
Yeah. Show them how it sounds.
Just for a tip on there.
Here's a comparison of the stock shock right next to the new ones I just put on there. These new shocks lifted it quite a bit. When nobody's sitting on it, the chain actually touches the frame, but as soon as somebody gets on it, it clears just fine. Had to go up to 120 link chain, so don't go ordering 100 link thinking it's gonna fit. Went ahead and took apart whole clutch assembly, polished it, got it all cleaned up. Driving like new again. Y'all stay tuned. About to bump up this 10 horse to a 20 horse.